In primetime news tonight, opposition leads anti-corruption march and calls for commissions of inquiry into the affairs of the Ministry of Education and Energy. CMU clears the air about contract with Heidel University, and major car stealing ring uncovered in Clarendon.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Milton Walker has our preview. Milton?
Yes, Janella, the central bank intervenes in the foreign exchange market amidst concern about a shortage of foreign exchange.
All right, thanks, Milton. From Milton, we go to Karen, who has a preview of what's coming up in sports. Karen?
Well, Herman, the year of women in sports continue as world number 2. The Sunshine Girls begin their quest for a podium finish at the INF World Cup starting on Friday.
Exciting times. Thank you, Karen. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening's question: what are your views on the controversy involving athletes and coach Glenn Mills?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Karen, it seems you like that question. Stay with us. The Primetime News returns after this break.